Sa pagsilbar ng mga kapulisan sa National Crime Prevention Week, ang San Remeo PNP nagtugro pa si dengeg sa mga katapo kang media sa pagbulig man sa kampanya sa mga aktibidades kag programa labi na gid batok sa kriminalidad sa nasambitan nga banwa. Ginpangunahan dyan ni Mayor Glenn Cabigunda, Police Chief Inspector Gaylord Loyola kag ni SB member Numeriano Dubla, chairman sa Committee on Peace and Order.
Our assessment in this municipality before the elections and after the elections under the administration of Mayor Glenn Cabigunda, the crime incidents in this municipality was reduced. There is no controversial issues, no hard-hitting commentaries for the municipality of San Remeo under the leadership of Chief Inspector Loyola. And we in the PNP Press Corps, we would like also to return your awards to us and our awards as Tri-Media for the municipality of San Remeo. So we commend the municipality of San Remeo under the leadership of Mayor Loyola. And rest assured, Mayor Cabigunda, rest assured that we in the radio, print and TV assure you that we will cooperate, we will report accurate, balanced and objective reporting for the development and continuance of the peace and order situation in this municipality. So in behalf of the Antique PNP Press Corps, the Capital Press Corps, under the leadership of Governor Ezekiel Javier, rest assured that we will support your municipality in terms of information dissemination, constructive criticism, and objective reporting.
Sa partisipasyon ka mga katapo kang media, nangin negatibo ang kriminalidad ang San Remeo, umpisa pa bulan kang Abril. Natap na man ang madata nga pagtinakaway kang kasapatan, kag pagdakip ka mga wanted nga mga persona. Para sa Ko Patrol, Peter Salivar.